Every truck camping setup should have a comfortable bed, electrical power and lights, and a refrigerator.
Today, we're going to give you guys a walkthrough of Roger's DIY truck camping setup.
I'm going to take you guys through my thought process for this build, the decisions that I've made so far. Just know it's still a work in progress.
We're also going to show you guys this cool DIY power station that powers this whole thing up.
Let's start with the truck cap. This is a Raider brand truck cap that I found on Facebook Marketplace for about $450. I was looking to do a budget build. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I think I did pretty well. The paint matches well. It has tinted windows and a fiberglass construction. I bought a used camper shell, so there were a few things that I had to replace. These handles on the back, I did not have the keys, so we replaced those. Also, these struts on the inside were worn out, so we put some brand new ones in there, and they work great. Inside the camper, my first thought was with the bed and everything we're building around it. It's very important. There is a wheel well here that sticks out. We wanted to have it against the wall close. So then there's no third leg in the middle. So you just have these two legs on the far ends. Now this is a roll-a-cot from Camp Time. It's very lightweight. It's aluminum construction, and it has this blue breathable mesh. Let me show you my 3-inch memory foam mattress. I love this thing. It has plush on the top here and grips on the bottom. And a fitted sheet and a 0-degree sleeping bag completes the set. It works really well. Now there are different types of camper shells. There is the cab high like mine. There's also a mid height and a high. Let me show you how I fit on the bed. Now getting up into this bed is pretty easy. I don't have a lot of headroom, but it's just for sleeping, right? It's pretty nice and comfortable. Headroom, not a whole lot, but I think it's a great choice. Now, I don't spend a whole lot of time in the camper itself on the bed, but the bed is made for sleeping, and it's great on rainy days when you need to get out of the weather. Now, choosing my flooring, I chose the Bedrug brand, basically a carpet for your truck bed. Now, this is great. It's very easy on the knees. It comes pre-cut, and so you just slide it in. I wanted to keep it very simple. I had thoughts of making a wood platform and carpeting that, but I think this is much nicer. The Bedrug also works great with my storage system. This is what I chose here, and these slide very well on the Bedrug carpet. And they slide right under the bed. I wanted to make sure I had lots of storage space, so I chose these boxes here. They're very handy. I can't open them up, but there we go.
It's
you
nice.
Store all your gear inside, and they slide nice and easy underneath the bed that I chose. Another great thing about the storage boxes that I chose is that they work well with this power station. Everything fits under the bed and has its own space, and there's lots of room. It works great. Let me walk you through my curtains. Now, I decided to buy something that was relatively cheap and very durable and blackout. This blocks out all the sun, and it's attached to a bungee cord on the top and the bottom here. This keeps it attached from flapping around. And this is the simple aluminum flat bar that we use to attach it to the frame here of the window. And that keeps everything nice and tight and nice and simple. Another thing I really like about these drapes is the privacy. When you pull them out, nobody can see in. But if I want to see out, all I have to do is this. Boom.
Let's talk about the electrical system that I helped Roger incorporate into the camper top. It all starts with this distribution box here. This is a 6-blade fuse block. We don't use all 6 of these circuits. I'm using 3 of them really. I've got this bottom switch here that goes down to our rock lights underneath. That gives some light, a pool of light under there at nighttime. And then I've got another one up here. This goes to some cargo lights that are up inside. Back in the back there, you can see the USB that we put up front there. Roger can charge a phone. He can have a little reading light if he wants. He can read a book. And then we also have above here, I hardwired in this light with a switch for his work area. If he wants to do some cooking back here, maybe clean a fish or work on a project, he's got plenty of light to make that happen. And then this is the line that goes up to our 100 watt portable solar panel. This 100 watt portable solar panel, he happens to have up on top of his camper shell right now, but you could put this down on the ground. This thing folds in half. It's kind of briefcase style. It's called the Shade Stopper. The brand is EMFX. We'll be sure to put affiliate links down in the description down below for all of the stuff in today's video. But this solar panel works really great, and he can actually incorporate 2 solar panels if he wanted to, but one seems to do the job.
This is the refrigerator that I chose for my build. This is the Set Power AB15. It's a 16 quart fridge. It lights up on the inside. This is what I chose for my build. It works out great. It keeps everything nice and cool. You can see right now we are at a chilly 37 degrees. It also has this nice strap on it if you need to go on the go. This cooler plugs into my power station right here, which makes it really convenient.
Powering up Roger's whole camper is this DIY power station that Roger actually helped me to build. At the heart is a 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery from LiTime, who is actually the sponsor of today's video. LiTime has tons of lithium iron phosphate batteries on their website with lots of different group sizes and shapes for just about any project. They also have accessories like wall chargers, solar chargers, and inverters too. I'll be sure to put a referral link down in the video description and use code FRED at checkout so you can get your discount. Here are all the things that this thing can power up. We have 2 double USB ports. These work great for charging phones and laptops. And then we also built in 2 12-volt sockets. This is how he powers up his fridge. We have an LED light here. These are license plate lights that illuminate the whole front. We have a master on and off switch. We have a switch here that we're not actually using. And then this switch turns on some LED lights inside the box. Let's show you what's inside this thing. This thing has a plexiglass lid, which I thought was pretty cool. We've got 2 bus bars. This is our solar charge controller. Over on this side is our DC to DC charge controller. This is a Victron unit. This thing is really awesome. Back here in the back, we have a cooling fan. This is thermostatically controlled with a thermostat switch here. We have this set to 95 degrees. It's a cool 66 up here in the mountains today. We have, this is our port for our umbilical. This is the wire that goes to the camper shell. This is our wire that goes to our solar charge panel. And then this is the alternator charging cable that comes in from the truck. So what do you guys think about Roger's truck camper build?
If you guys have any ideas of something I should have included in my build, something I may have forgot, please let us know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.